Hello everyone, welcome to BricksNotes. This is Aish. Today, we are going to understand what a data engineer actually does every day. Imagine an airline operations team opening its morning dashboard. One number immediately gets everyone's attention. Yesterday's passenger count appears to have dropped by 30%. Were several flights cancelled? Did thousands of passengers stop traveling? Or did the data simply fail to arrive? Before the business reacts, someone must find the truth. That is where the data engineer enters the story. Many beginners think a data engineer spends the entire day writing SQL, Python, or PySpark code. Code is important, but it is only one part of the job. A data engineer helps data move safely from where it is created to where it becomes useful. In an airline, passenger information may come from several systems. One stores reservations, another records check ins, another tracks passengers who boarded. Other systems may contain cancellations, refunds, and flight updates. The business wants one trusted view. The first responsibility is understanding the business question. What exactly does passenger count mean? Is it tickets sold, passengers checked in, or people who actually boarded? A ticket can be sold and later cancelled. A passenger can check in but never board. Before building a pipeline, a good data engineer works with business teams and analysts to agree on the meaning. The second responsibility is collecting the data. This is called data ingestion. Data may arrive through files, databases, APIs, event streams, or cloud storage. Some data arrives every night, some arrives every hour, some must be processed within seconds. The third responsibility is transforming the data. Raw data is rarely ready for business use. Dates may use different formats. The same passenger may appear more than once. Cancelled bookings may need to be removed. Flight details may need to be joined with airport information. The data engineer cleans, combines, and organizes this data. Think about a restaurant kitchen. Ingredients are checked, prepared, and combined before the meal reaches the customer. Raw data is like the ingredients. A trusted dashboard is the finished meal. The fourth responsibility is testing the result. A pipeline running successfully does not automatically mean the data is correct. Did today's file arrive? Is the row count lower than normal? Are important values missing? Did a join duplicate records? Does the final total match the source? These checks protect the business from using incorrect information. The fifth responsibility is monitoring the pipeline. A source may add a new column, a file may arrive late, a job may become slower as the data grows. The data engineer builds logs and alerts so problems can be detected quickly. Now let us return to the airline dashboard. The engineer investigates the 30% drop. The flights were not cancelled, and the passenger records were still available in the source. The real problem was one regional file arriving 2 hours late. The daily pipeline had already completed before the file became available. The dashboard was working. The pipeline showed a successful status, but the data was incomplete. The engineer reloads the missing file and the passenger count returns to normal. Then, an alert is added for late files, along with a rule that compares today's count with the normal range. The next time this happens, the issue can be detected before incomplete data reaches the dashboard. This is what real data engineering looks like. It is not only about building pipelines, it is about understanding the business, protecting data quality, solving production problems, and helping people trust the result. One common beginner mistake is focusing only on tools. Should I learn Databricks, Snowflake, AWS, or Spark? These tools matter, but the deeper skill is understanding how data moves, how it changes, where it can fail, and who depends on it. Here is one practical exercise. Whenever you study a pipeline, identify 5 things: the source, the transformation, the destination, the consumer, and the owner when something goes wrong. This simple exercise will help you think beyond code and start thinking like a real data engineer. You can explore these ideas through the practical lessons and books available on BricksNotes. In the next video, We will follow one small record from a mobile application click all the way to a business dashboard. Because every large data platform begins with one small event. Thank you for watching BricksNotes. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.